video, we're going to solve a LeetCode problem. So let's start reading. Add two numbers. You're given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order, and each of their nodes contains a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum that is as a linked list. We may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number 0 itself. So it's going to be, we're going to loop through each digit. So you can forget the reverse part. Eventually, we need to return the value itself as a reverse as well. So we can think like, just skip that part, and we're going to get the first, this one as well, and the sum, we're going to put it to the returning linked list, and the same as well. But this here, only the trick is if it is higher than 9, then it's going to have a carry, and we're going to keep the carry and then just return whatever comes here. And then afterwards, we do the same for, we're going to add the carry to this, and just put the sum to the last element of linked list. So let's start. So we're going to have two currents, let's say current list 1, and this is list 1, current list 2, and we need a one for loop, and this is going to be current list 1 as long as it's not nil, or current list 2, same. Then we're going to iterate. So here we need two variables. One is digit 1, one is digit 2. And what we do here is, I don't know the way the indentation is wrong, but let's just avoid it for now. Can we fix it? I'm not sure, so let's try. Yeah, cool, I think it works. Okay, cool. So we have this, and we still need to check here if the current L1 is not nil, because one of them was the previous condition. Then what we do here, we just get the, as a digit 1, current L1 value, right? So if you look at here, the list node will have the wall and then the next. It's just a simple linked list, and so we gotta get the value here, and then we just go to the next one. So current L1 will be current L1 next, and then iterate through till it's nil. Both of them are nil. So we do the same for current L2. And here D2 is current L2, well, current L2, current L2 next. All right, so let's also have one sum. So we're gonna use sum. What we do here is we're gonna add the D1 to D2. We also mentioned about the carry. Let's define carry as 0. And so let's add if there's any. And to having the carry, we gotta check if the sum is higher than 9, then carry will be 1. And whenever we use it, we just do carry 0. And we just don't return sum, but we return sum mod 10, right? Because we added the carry in the next iteration. And this should, for the last number, we should also carry. If the 0 higher than 0, then we also do the iteration as well. I think that's pretty much it. We need here, you need the returning carry, current. So let's have the current as well here, which is going to be list node. And we gotta, because it's going to change, you gotta have the current here. And here we're going to start adding our current value, the sum. If the current L1 value, no, we don't need to check this, current L2 not nil, or just like in the top, if the carry, then we add a current next. Was it next? I think so, right? List next, yeah. We're gonna add the, and it will be list node as well. List node. And then we change the current to do current next. That should be it actually. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, we have this problem. We have to initiate. We need to return also the head. And voila. So if you submit the solution, everything is correct and it works fine. I'm sure there is better ways, but it's still good enough to pass the solution. And that's it for today. I will see you in the next one.